This is starting to piss me off a little bit, I'm not gonna hold you. I've been trading now for the past 7 years, and this is the number one key crucial tip that anybody, regardless of what level you are, if you're struggling in trading right now, this is the key and most crucial thing you need to understand. It does not matter what strategy you use. With all due respect, you can trade ICT, you can trade using following fair value gaps, order blocks, market structure patterns, trend lines. It does not matter what strategy you use. The reason why you're losing and the reason why you think your strategy is not working is because you fail to understand just basic market movements and the strategy that you're using, when to properly execute it. That's literally it. You're sitting here talking about using a different strategy because you're not making any money. Well, do you understand the strategy that you're using? Do you understand what the market needs to look like in order for that strategy to be as effective as possible? If you're a swing trader and you're using a swing trading strategy on lower time frames, no shit, you're losing money, bro. Because that strategy is not designed for scalping. So if you're using a swing trading strategy for scalping, then yeah, it's not gonna work. If you're using a trend line trading strategy on the 15-minute time frame, no shit, you're gonna lose money. It's on a 15-minute time frame. Not enough time has elapsed in the market for a trend to actually be able to be validated. Like this is basic stuff here. With all due respect, I'm not saying that you're stupid. I'm just saying that you're using a strategy that's not designed to be used in that way. It's like you trying to bake a cake, but you're using a fucking freezer to be able to bake the cake. Like that doesn't make any sense. So in order to see results in trading, as a general rule of thumb, if you want to use X strategy, whatever the name of that strategy is, fine. But you need to master that strategy and understand that strategy first. You need to test it on multiple different securities, whether you're trading indexes, commodities, currencies, meme coins, it does not matter. You need to be able to test it on different time frames as well. So if you're trading NASDAQ, you need to test that strategy on the 15-minute time frame, the 30-minute, the 45-minute, the hour, the 4-hour, the daily, the weekly. You need to test it on different time frames so that way you can see how this strategy reacts during different time frames. You also need to be able to see what outside factors like Powell speaking or CPI or PPI, how all that affects the strategy that you're using. Like, you need to be able to understand what you're doing first before switching to something else. If you haven't fully tested out what it is that you're doing yet, then you can't be surprised when you're not succeeding. It's a basic rule of thumb. And I know a lot of people are going to look at me like I'm crazy, but I don't really know what else to say. I don't really know what else to tell you guys. Like, you need to know what you're doing first before you can start making money from it. Because you can only make money from this if you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, then yeah, you're going to be broke for a while, bro.
Here's how you can start trading smart and finally pass your prop firm challenge. If you're 18 to 35, listen up. First thing you're going to do is grab the PipsGravity Mastermind Trading Plan, link in bio. Once you're in, go straight to the market structure section so you can finally read the charts like a pro. Next, dive into the liquidity and fair value gap chapters. This is where you'll learn how the big banks move the market and how to catch the move before it happens. Then, use our entry technique guide to time your trades with sniper accuracy. No more random entries, no more gambling. Finally, follow our trade management steps to protect profits and scale your account steadily. If you're tired of blowing accounts and failing challenges, this is your wake-up call. PipsGravity Mastermind. Get it now and start trading like the top 1%.